And we're here in my neighborhood, Foothill Ranch. I've lived there for 30 years. You can't find a better community. This property is gorgeous that we're about to see. It features a house on a prime cul-de-sac street, quiet and great for the kids, with 4 bedrooms, a loft, 3 bathrooms. The loft can be a 5th bedroom, and it has a downstairs bedroom and bath. You're gonna love this house. Let's go inside. If you like this house, give me a call at this phone number. I'm Tim Morissette, the #1 real estate agent in Foothill Ranch for over 28 years. This is a great house. You deserve it. Take care. Be safe.